Okay, I'm doing a review of the Ricoh GR III. I bought this thing a couple of months ago to use for street photography, but with the COVID thing going on, we've not been able to get out and use it, so it's very frustrating. It was a 70-degree day today, so I wanted to get out and get some shots here. Chance to get out, get some evening shots. Not really going for sunset. I'm going for a bridge in Greenwood where I live, very close to Indianapolis. And the bridge has a sign on there that says, thanks to all the healthcare workers and all that good stuff, and thank you to all the healthcare workers and all that good stuff that you do for us. And this video, well, I'm basically trying to get a shot, a long exposure shot with the cars going underneath the bridge to get some light trails and put it all together with the lighted sign, the bridge, and the light trails, see if we can come up with a nice shot. And I thought it'd be a great way to do a nice video on the Ricoh GR III, so to show it's not only for street photography, but certainly can be used for landscape photography. I'll have a couple more videos coming out for that. But this, I thought, was a great opportunity to do a long exposure shoot. So it's a little chilly out, and I didn't bring my jacket for some reason, thought it was summer. But at any rate, I'll get out there and get some shots, waiting for the sun to get down far enough that it's dark. This is the worst part, sitting here waiting. It's that time where nothing's lit up. There's no street lights really going on. The sky's still bright. Everything's in shadow. So I'm just kind of killing some time here, and I'll make my way over to the bridge. Un momento. And we'll see what we come up with. So hope you like it. Oh my God, here comes the semi. Oh my God. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh sweet, 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 sweet. Oh my God, what'd we get? Oh my God, no point in taking another one. No point in even trying. Go this way. I think we're pretty much already able to. Well, see now, okay, this is where having a fixed lens as opposed to a zoom. I've got to make sure. Okay, well this is good, right? Right, smack dab here should be okay. Do want to go a little closer. Whoops. Okay. So if I go here, that says I'm level. I don't know if you can see the green light there, but that says I am level. I can take my shot. Well, I wasn't ready for the shot at the moment, but okay, so that's not going to work. That's way too. I need to go way longer than that. Let's try this. No. Yes. Yes, now we're talking. Okay. That's very cool. It's very cool, but we're going to go for 10 seconds. We're going to go even longer. There we go. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Okay, so I'm shooting this at about, well, I'll tell you exactly what I'm shooting it. There we go. If you can see that, but it's sweet. Okay, 10 seconds, f14, ISO 100. So let me just, let's see, we can drop the f14 there. We can drop down to about 7.1, and we can then take away a couple seconds there of time. And let's see. Actually, though, we want more time, so I'm going the opposite direction of what I should be going. Oops. So, the way I found this, the way you got to pre-focus, and then it's nice. You can hold the button down; it will pre-focus. Okay, so you can see I don't have this on long enough for these cars to come through, so I need to go back up 7.1 back to okay 16. I really never like to go to the extreme, so we'll go at 14 here. And then that means we can open this bad boy up to about 8 seconds. So I've got it at 8 seconds. That should give a car time, especially if you've got multiple vehicles, because it's a long hill. So we've got a couple coming here. You can see there it did its focusing. So 8 seconds, I'm going to push that down. Boom. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000. And we got a car going the other way. Look at that sweetness. Very sweet. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get oh, here comes the truck. Okay, so I'm going to get focused again in there. Boom. Here comes the truck. Yeah. You know, if you can get a semi or a bus, you're in heaven. Okay, so after this one, which is a really cool one, I'm going to go shoot even closer here. I really need to be on the other side, but it's okay. Not level. That's about level right there. And nope, that shouldn't have took that one. Okay. So anyway, so we're still rolling here. Comes some vehicles. Okay, we only got one vehicle in that entire. Ah, we got that guy's tail lights. Awesome. Okay, well, not bad. Not great. But now we can at least see the sign a little better there. So let's wait for some more vehicles to come. Yeah. Okay. It's interesting how they always come in packs, and they're never. It's always the slowest guy, I guess, up front or something. But okay, so they're coming down the hill. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy ready. Fire. Here we go. This will be very nice. This will be a nice solid line coming down the way. Now I'm going to change locations here after these guys go through. I believe. Yeah, sweetness. I'm not going to get better than that. So let's go over here. Wet right here. Right. Yeah, so if we're going to go for the, I'm going to adjust the tripod. Okay, so this is looking pretty good here. Okay, we got that there. Focusing there, and we got, well, actually we can, oh my god, here comes a semi. Oh my god. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh sweet, 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 sweet. Oh my god, what'd we get? Oh my god, no point taking another one. Fucking awesome. No point in even trying. Holy thank you. Holy shit. That's really awesome. Really awesome. So now we're going to go for some tail lights here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to get much out of that one. So this is great. We got one awesome shot. But again, you have to hope that that awesome shot actually came out. Okay, well, now I've got to go up to about 10 seconds. So I better back off to keep it at 8. Pull this down to about 11. And, oh my god, a bunch of cars. What are you doing? There we go. Jesus. I'm paying attention. There we go. That'll be a nice one. Can't really tell completely what we've got here, but it's pretty good. Here comes a couple more, and we'll call it a day after this. Let's see. Let's straighten up here a little bit. There we go. Okay. Tail lights going up the hill. And some headlights coming down the hill. But, all in all, not really a great shot. So let's wait for another one. There's nothing coming either way. I think I'm going to go back to Vina Villa. Kind of back way Yeah, see, it's kind of cool with the light there. Really nice of the city to do the thank you healthcare providers. Okay, that was good. Here comes another one. Boom. No, no. Okay, so here we got a bunch of them going the other way. Cool. Alright, now we'll have a bunch of tail lights. This may be the one, other than the semi, that really should help. This one really should be good. Nope, I don't have it. I've got it going too long here. Screwed up not getting that one in either. Dang it. Okay, I'm going to take this shot. I really should have... that's good. That's good. That's neat. But I really need some tail light. Doesn't look like we're going to get any here. Alright, so I think, oh yeah, I was going to go for something here with these. Let's see how this will turn out. This could be kind of cool. This could be very cool. Let's see how this one turns out. So obviously the long exposure with a, well, okay. He was going a little slow, or I need to go a little longer on this one. About 10 seconds here. 10 seconds at 7.1. There we go. We got him through the vent. There we go. There we go. There we go. Two of them go through that time. Let's see. Oh, a bunch of cars coming. Oh, a bunch of cars. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get the taillights. Come on. Let's go with the tail lights. There we go. Tail lights coming. There we go. And we got one coming this way as well. This ought to be a nice one. Okay, I got to call it a quits here. This one should be the good one. Never really call it quits. So let's see if we can get some more. Okay, this one's tail lights with no headlights. So that'll do it. Okay. Sweet. Let's just go ahead and get one more here. Okay, there's some tail lights, more tail lights, and a headlight. If you can get on through, get on through. No, he didn't make it through. So that's kind of interesting. Okay, we're going to call it a day here, and we're going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the GoPro off. The stage is still going.